So, here's the story. About halfway through mowing Beverly's yard yesterday, which looks really nice, the lawnmower started making a lot of noise and vibration, and by the time I got 3/4 of the way done, I knew that it had to be blades or spindle or something. It was all I could do to stay on the lawnmower, and I was afraid my neighbors were gonna come out and knock me off the lawnmower because I was too stupid to hear what was going on. But I wanted to get done because I knew it was gonna take days to get the parts and then days for me to work on the mower. So I got her yard mowed, and I push mowed mine, and so far, according to my phone, my GPS walking app, I have walked 7 miles, and I've got just a little bit left to do, and I really don't even need to mow that. It's not that high, but my backyard was like a jungle. And we're having our first 90-degree weather today. So guess what? Spring's over and summer is here. I worked on the fence a couple days ago and got some of that weeded. I still got probably 100 feet left to go down there in the bottom that I haven't cleaned this year, and it's gonna be a few more days before I get down there. And the vines are just, they're crazy already. And I'm afraid I'm gonna have to push mow that over there before I get my lawnmower fixed. But I did order spindles, and since there's no way I would know which. It's a 2-blade lawnmower, so I have no idea how I would know which spindle it is. And there's no way I can just, take parts off and replace. It's just better for me to, I ordered new blades, spindles, and pulleys, the whole thing, because if I'm gonna do this, I don't want to have to do it again. And this lawnmower's still got some life in it, so I don't want to, I don't want to have to do this again. And I'm pretty sure Brad didn't replace the spindles, but he's already replaced the pulley and I believe the bearings. So I'm just gonna do that, hopefully. That's the game plan anyway. But until then, it's the green machine there. And I finally got it cranked. I did everything I knew to do with mechanic in the bottle. He wasn't worth a flip on that mower. He may be good for my weed eater, but I ended up squirting some carb cleaner in there. I know you're not supposed to, but I did. And I got it cranked, and that's all I care about. Okay, and that is the end of the story. Love you, bye.